Hey guys, it's me Alex, and today I'll be taking a look at the Esun Powdery Blue PLA Plus and the purple Esilk filament. Now the Esilk, I'll get right onto that right now. The Esilk I do not recommend. I got a small spool of it, and the issue was, as you can see from the Mega Coin, it turned out awful. Like, there's no hope saving this. I dropped it. But as it was printing, I saw the sides. It was kind of stringing a little bit, kind of bubbling, but I guess you call it bubbling. The plastic was over extruding, and I thought, oh, maybe it's a different kind of filament from the PLA Plus, which the PLA Plus, on the contrary, printed out really well. Which, let me show off the Mega Coin for that. But yeah, this printed out flawlessly. However, the Esilk, I thought it was because it was added with other stuff, but the problem is this is supposed to be PLA based, so it should have printed just fine as the Mega Coin over here. But the issue is also that in the manual that they include with the box, it's very generic. They don't mention anything specifically about the PLA Plus, just a chart with all their filaments, which doesn't even include the Esilk. Mentioned about the powdery blue, it printed out perfectly. This was printed out, everything was printed out on the Cetus that I received from Tier Time. The video's up here, but it printed out flawlessly and really shows the true skill of the printer. I also printed out a neckerchief slider for my scout uniform because I'm very involved in the BSA. There was a bit of ghosting on the print itself, but besides that, there wasn't too much wrong with it. It turned out really nice. And because of how nice the color is, I gotta mention again, I like this color a lot. When I saw it on the website, it didn't look too great, but seeing it in person really helps, and it looks really good. Here is a crystal onyx I printed out. Well, it's just normal onyx, but with the color of the crystal onyx. It's not translucent, sadly, but it's still turned out good. Which I'll put a comparison of the original one here. But yeah, it turned phenomenal. Only problem is like the bottom, because of the raft system the Cetus has, it's basically welded kind of to the print itself. I also don't have too much to show off this video because I've been printing out something for a future project. If you follow me on Amino, which I'll link down below, I really recommend it. I give out project sneak peeks. I ask questions. I kind of work with the fans, and also I have an Instagram where I'll post sneak peeks and little snippets of my personal life. But if you know here's what I've been using it all on. If this is not clear enough what it is, but this is a little sneak peek. Here's a more direct sneak peek. It's relating to this. So leave down in the comments below what you think the project's supposed to be. But overall, final thoughts, I do not recommend the Esilk. I didn't get great results with it. My Mega Coin turned out awful, and I just stopped printing with it. However, the PLA Plus, it turned out phenomenally. The color's really nice, really nice. It's strong, prints well. It's apparently stronger than normal PLA that most other companies produce. And it's really affordable. Only, I believe, $15, maybe $20 a roll US. But yeah, so that's the end of the review. Please hit the subscribe button. Over here and here will be my 3D printing playlist and a video recommended for you by YouTube. And check out my social medias, Maker Amino, and my Instagram, which I'll link below. And subscribe if you're new here, because it helps the channel grow. And we're almost close to 100 subs, so it'll be nice to reach that by the end of this year.